So Rebuild the Guild is a collaboration brew that we've done in conjunction with the whole Arizona Craft Brewers Guild. Our batch is an IPA, pretty West Coast. It's about 7% ABV, not terribly bitter. Really bright, really hoppy, a little bit of kind of like biscuity malt character, but yeah, the hops and the kind of tropical character is what shines through. So this is based on a recipe that we did back in 2017 with the Guild. The technical committee got together here and brewed a beer called Tech AF. We wanted to kind of throw back to that and you know, do something that had roots with the Guild. So we basically kept the malt bill the same and swapped out some of the hops. Back in October or September, we were approached about the project. Basically, it's just like a big group effort to help support our Guild, which is normally supported financially through funds raised at beer festivals and a lot of in-person events. Without any of those events happening in 2020, you know, we need to find other ways to fund the Guild. Basically, the main idea is that everybody brews a beer. We donate the profit for support of the Guild. Not everybody's doing the same exact beer, but the idea is just that we all have a beer out there that is Rebuild the Guild, and we're all donating proceeds from it. There's, I think, over 100 breweries in Arizona now, or we're getting real close. And you know, we range from small, you know, nano breweries to big packaging breweries like us and some of the other ones around the state. And we have a lot of different interests, but the Guild has been really critical to just kind of protect all of our interests. During the pandemic, they were pretty critical in gathering information about, you know, who can be open, what are the, you know, what do we need to do, how do we go forward, and just presenting all that information to us, you know, collecting information about loans and grant programs and things like that that were open to Guild members, and, you know, just kind of keeping us all in the loop. Yeah, we definitely need them.